Good morning class. Today I want to describe about polynomial for class 9th. Exercise 2.2 question number 3 part 4. Concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. Today I want to verify the following are zeros of given polynomial or not zeros of given polynomial. It is clear? We know dividend equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. It means px equal to gx multiply qx plus rx. Here px is dividend, gx is divisor, qx is quotient, rx is remainder. It is clear? Firstly, you put the value of 0 in given polynomial. If your answer become 0, it means following are zeros of given polynomial, otherwise not zeros of given polynomial. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. You can solve your question very easily. But you concentrate your mind and see the board with full concentration. My words is clear? Very good. See the board. NCERT class 9 exercise 2.2 question number 3. Verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. Fourth, px equal to x plus 1 in first brackets, in second brackets x minus 2. It is given polynomial and x equal to minus 1 and 2. It is value of zeros. It means it is zeros and it is polynomial. You put the value of zeros in given polynomial. First time you put x equal to minus 1 in given polynomial, and second time you put x equal to 2 in given polynomial. If your answer becomes 0 both time, then x equal to minus 1 and 2 are zeros of the polynomial, otherwise not zeros of the polynomial. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. See the board. Px equal to x plus 1 in first brackets, x minus 2 in second brackets. Here x equal to minus 1. X equal to minus 1. Now p minus 1 equal to minus 1 plus 1 in first brackets, minus 1 minus 2 in second brackets. Put x equal to minus 1 in given polynomial. In given polynomial. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. It become p minus 1 equal to, here plus 1 and minus 1 become 0. It become minus 3. Minus 1 and minus 2 become minus 3. P minus 1 equal to 0 multiply minus 3 become 0 equal to 0 answer. You find your answer 0. It is clear? Next step. Now px equal to x plus 1 in first brackets, x minus 2 in second brackets, where x equal to 2. Second time you put the value of x equal to 2. Clear? Now it is given polynomial and it is value of 0. it is given polynomial, it is value of 0. Clear? Now it become P2 equal to 2 plus 1 in first brackets, in second brackets 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2. Clear? Put x equal to 2 in given polynomial. Given polynomial. It is clear? It become P2 equal to 2 plus 1 become 3. Multiply. It become 0. Plus 2 minus 2 become 0. Now it become P2 equal to 3 multiply 0 become 0. Your answer is 0. In first step your answer is 0. In second step your answer is 0. Hence x equal to minus 1 and 2 is zeros of given polynomial. Clear? Verified. Here hence x equal to minus 1 and 2 is zeros of given polynomial. Given polynomial. Verified. First time you put x equal to minus 1 in given polynomial, you find your answer 0. Minus 1, x equal to minus 1. Value of x is minus 1. It become minus 1 and plus 1 become 0. Here x equal to minus 1. Minus 2. Minus 1 minus 2 become minus 3. Minus 3 multiply 0, it becomes 0. In first step you find your answer 0. Clear? In second step you put x equal to 2 in given polynomial. Clear? Px equal to x, value of x is 2. 2 plus 1 in first bracket, in second brackets value of x is 2 minus 2. It become 2 plus 1 become 3. It become 0. 3 multiply 0 become 0. You find your answer 0 in second step. It means x equal to minus 1 and 2 is zeros of given polynomial px equal to x plus 1 in first brackets, x minus 2 in second brackets. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. It is easy? Very good. In this way you can solve any question very easily. My words is clear? No confusion? Very good. Okay.